In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a numbered list in Gamma app quickly and easily, so you can organize your content in a clean, professional way. Whether you're building a presentation, a document, or a simple project card, numbered lists are a great way to make your ideas easier to follow and more readable. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple app guides like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your Gamma project. This can be any existing project where you want to add a numbered list, or you can start a new one if you prefer. Once your project is open, look for the text area where you want the list to appear. Click directly inside that text area so Gamma knows exactly where you want to place the content. Now that your cursor is active in the right spot, open the text formatting toolbar. Depending on your layout, the toolbar may appear at the top or near the text box once you click inside it. This toolbar contains the formatting options you can use to style your text, including bullets, bold, alignment, and list formatting. Next, look for the numbered list option. If you see the numbered list icon or button, click it to turn your text into a numbered format. This is the fastest way to start your list. If the option isn't immediately visible, it may be tucked inside a more advanced formatting menu, so take a second to look around the toolbar carefully. Once the numbered list is active, type your first list item. As soon as you start typing, Gamma will treat it as the first step in your numbered sequence. After that, press Enter on your keyboard to create the next numbered item automatically. You can continue pressing Enter for each new point you want to add, and Gamma will keep the numbering in order for you. This is especially useful if you're creating outlines, step-by-step instructions, or structured notes inside your Gamma card. It keeps everything neat and easy to scan, which is exactly what you want if you're building content for presentations or sharing information with others. If you accidentally start in the wrong format, don't worry. You can click back into the text, reopen the formatting toolbar, and switch to the numbered list option at any time. Gamma makes it easy to edit and refine your content as you go, so you're never locked into the wrong style. And that's it. Once you type your items and press Enter, a numbered list will be added inside your Gamma card. It's a simple feature, but it can make your content look much more polished and organized in just a few seconds. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Gamma tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.